Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In today's video, I am unboxing my new laptop. So first of all, let's open the box. This laptop comes with 2560 and 1600 pixel display. Then the keyboard comes with RGB lighting that can be customized. And its overall look is very beautiful. Now let's check all its ports. It has 3 USB ports, 1 audio jack, micro SD card slot, and Ethernet port. And on its backside, there are 2 Type-C ports, an HDMI port, and a charging port. Now let's see its specification. It uses Intel i9 13th Gen processor, then the 8GB RTX 4060 graphics card, and 16GB DDR5 RAM. We can expand it to 32GB RAM. So it is very smooth to edit 4K 60 FPS video, and if we talk about gaming performance, it is very powerful. I can play games like GTA 5 in high quality. Next, this laptop comes with 3 mods: Balanced, Performance, Turbo. This is the mode-changing switch. Acer has developed a software for this laptop called Predator Sense. A separate key has been given for this. Let's open it. It has many features like keyboard light control, fan speed control, mode changing. All the controls of this laptop can be done on it. Friends, I am ending today's video here. I hope everyone liked the video. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe.